Hi ladies and gentlemen. Our next lesson is on instrument fingerings. I will review each note and where it is on the staff. You will also see what the note looks like on a fingering chart. Then I will show you where your fingers go on your instrument. Your instrument is viola. The first note is D. This is your fingering chart here. This shows you which fingers to put down. The blue circles are going to tell you which fingers you're going to put down or add. If the note is an open string like D is, you're going to see a blue arrow that shows you which string you're going to play. So D is open second string. Ladies and gentlemen, what is D? Open second string. One more time. What is D? Open second string. Good. D is the third space. Ladies and gentlemen, where's D on the staff? The third space. Good. One more time. Where's D on the staff? On the third space. Here's how you play D on the viola. Open second string. The first string is here, the highest note. The fourth string is here, the lowest note. Now go to the first string. Now move over to the second string. D is open second string. Everybody say D, open second string. One more time. Say D, open second string. And that is how you play D on the viola. Open second string. Our next note is E. The blue circle tells you you add the first finger. So you're going to put down the first finger. What finger do you put down for E? Good, the first finger. E is on the fourth line. Where's E on the staff, ladies and gentlemen? On the fourth line. One more time. Where's E? Good, on the fourth line. Here is how you play E on the viola. Everybody hold up your index finger. Hold it here like this. Now if you have tape, you're going to put it on the first tape. If you don't, you're going to put it here. Everybody say E, first finger, second string. One more time. Say E, first finger, second string. Our next note is F sharp. This blue circle tells us we're going to add our second finger. So for F sharp, we're going to put down the first finger and the second finger. What fingers do we put down for F sharp? Good, the first finger and the second finger. And it's going to be on the second string. Now on the staff, F sharp is on the fourth space. Ladies and gentlemen, where's F sharp? On the fourth space. One more time, where's F sharp? Good, on the fourth space. Here's how you play F sharp on the viola. Everybody hold up your index finger, wiggle it. Now take your first finger, your index finger, and you're going to put it here. Now take your second finger, wiggle it. Now take your second finger and put it here. If you have tape, you're going to put it on the first tape and the second tape. Now everybody say F sharp, first finger and second finger on the second string. One more time, say F sharp, first finger and second finger on the second string. This is how you play F sharp, first finger, second finger on the second string. Our next note is G. Our fingering chart, this little blue circle here tells us we're going to add the third finger. So for G, we're going to put down the first finger, the second finger, and the third finger. What fingers do we put down for G? Good, the first finger, the second finger, and the third finger. On the staff, G's on the fifth line. Where's G, everybody? The fifth line. One more time. Where's G? Good, the fifth line. Here's how you play G on the viola. Everybody hold up your index finger in your left hand like this and wiggle it. Now take your first finger, your index finger, and put it here. Now take your second finger, wiggle it. Take your second finger and put it here. Now take your ring finger, your third finger, wiggle it. Take your ring finger, put it here. Once again, the second and third finger are closer than the first and second finger. Here's what it should look like. If you have tape, you're going to put it on the first tape, the second tape, and the third tape. If you don't, it should look like this. Now everybody say G, first finger, second finger, third finger on the second string. One more time. Say G, first finger, second finger, and third finger on the second string. And this is how you play G on the viola. Our next note is A. According to our fingering chart, A doesn't have any blue circles, so it is an open string. Everybody say open string A. Good, and according to the blue arrow, A is open first string. Everybody say open first string. Ladies and gentlemen, what is A? Good, open first string. Now on the staff, A is above the staff. Everybody say above the staff A. Good. One more time, above the staff A. Where is A on the staff, ladies and gentlemen? Above the staff. Good, one more time, where's A? Good, above the staff. Here's how you play A on the viola. Open first string. Everybody say A, open first string. One more time, say A, open first string. Here's the first string. You play that. Once again, this is A on the viola, open first string. Our next note is B. According to the blue circle, we add our first finger. So what finger do we put down for B? Our first finger. Good. One more time. What finger? Our first finger. B is on the ledger line. Ladies and gentlemen, say ledger line B. One more time. Say ledger line B. Good. Where's B on the staff? On the ledger line. One more time. Where's B? Good. On the ledger line. Here's how you play B on the viola. Everybody take your index finger, hold it up like this. Now wiggle it. Now take your index finger and put it here. If you have tape, you're going to put it on the first tape. If you don't, it should look like this. Everybody say B, first finger, first string. One more time. Say B, first finger, first string. This is how you play B on the viola. First finger, first string. Our next note is C sharp. According to our fingering chart, the blue circle tells us we add the second finger. So on C sharp, we put down the first finger and the second finger. What fingers do we put down for C sharp, ladies and gentlemen? The first finger and the second finger. Good. Now C sharp on the staff is above the ledger line. Everybody say above the ledger line C sharp. One more time. Above the ledger line C sharp. Ladies and gentlemen, where is C sharp on the staff? Above the ledger line. One more time. Where's C sharp? Good. Above the ledger line. Here's how you play C sharp on the viola. Everybody take your left hand, wiggle your index finger like this. Now put it here. If you have tape, put it on the first tape. If you don't, it should look like this. Now take your second finger, wiggle it. Put it here. If you have tape, you should put it on the second tape. If not, then just put it should look like this. Now everybody say C sharp, first finger and second finger on the first string. One more time, say C sharp, first finger and second finger on the first string. Our final note for the viola is high D. Everybody say high D. According to our fingering chart, we're going to add the third finger. That blue circle tells us we're going to add the third finger. So, for viola, on high D, we're going to put down our first finger, our second finger, and our third finger. What fingers are we going to put down for high D on viola? Our first finger, our second finger, and our third finger. Good, and we're going to put those down on the first string. On the staff, high D on viola is on the second ledger line. Everybody say second ledger line, high D. Say it one more time. Second ledger line, high D. Where's high D on the viola? On the second ledger line. One more time. Where's high D on the viola? On the second ledger line. Good. Here's how you play high D on the viola. You learned low D before. Now you're going to learn high D. High D is going to be, take your left hand, wiggle your first finger. Now put it on the first tape if you have tape. If not, it should go here. Now take your second finger, wiggle it. Put it on the second tape if you have tape. If not, it should look like this. Now take your ring finger, your third finger, wiggle it. Put it here. If you have tape, put it on the third tape. If you don't, it should look like this. Your second and third finger are closer than the first finger. Everybody say high D, first finger, second finger, third finger on the first string. One more time. Say high D, first finger, second finger, third finger on the first string. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for participating in today's lesson, and I look forward to making you a new lesson next week.